So, Tom, you've mentioned about what Airsorted do. So, from the perspective of the property owner, what types of customers come into the properties, and tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, sure. So the short-term market is it's quite a mix. A lot of people assume that it's just weekends that get booked up, so Friday and Saturday nights. But actually, that's far from reality. We get a lot of traffic right throughout the week, and that varies again on the time of year a little bit. So in summertime, you might get more holiday makers coming through.
Yep.
The rest of the year, there's a lot of business traffic coming through our properties, and again, there's no kind of one answer fits all there.
No.
It depends on the type of property, where it is. If you're near Canary Wharf, for instance, then we get lots of project teams being based in town for the week or for months at a time, even on the corporate let side. But if you're based in Covent Garden, then yeah, you're probably attracting more kind of holiday makers. And then also there's people that are simply looking for a short-term home because they're moving from one let to another, or they're just waiting for a house completion to go through.
Yes.
There's a whole variety of different uses as to why people are staying in the property.
Okay, and what types of properties do you find work best, or does it depend on the location, and what maybe two landlords, property owners need to consider in terms of dressing the property or furnishing it?
Yeah. So in terms of style, the main thing is it has to have one.
Right.
That can be super minimal,
Yep.
or it could be very traditional. There really is a market for everything on all of these platforms and the guests that are coming. So a little bit of love once you're getting going has a huge impact on the actual daily rates that you get. In terms of a couple of rules of thumb, generally transport is incredibly important for
Yes.
people visiting a city. So the closer you are to a transport hub, the better. The more central you are, the better. But we look after properties right out in Zone 3, in some cases in London.
In London,
and
yeah.
in our other cities across the UK and the world, you do get suburban appeal as well. So every market has its own appeal. A variety of different properties do work. But yeah, as you said, if you put a little bit of love into it at the start, in terms of giving it a style, a
Yes.
personality, it doesn't cost very much.
No.
That really has a big impact.